Welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today I'm going to show you how to fix up this boo-boo that I did with my card. And there's two options, okay? First option is, and this is actually my husband's idea, because what's happened is when I did this card last week, I didn't realise, but it's opening the wrong way. So, one way you can fix it is by writing something cheeky up like this that says, looks like you have been celebrating a bit too much already. Look how much you struggle to open this card. Now, in order to turn it into a novelty, you would also stick it in facing that way. Okay, so basically when they finally work out, oh, this is how it opens, they see it upside down. I don't mind that. It's kind of funny, you know. However, you know, you might sort of decide, no, it's not really what I want to do. So there's another way to fix this. And what you're going to need is either an X-Acto knife or scissors, double-sided tape, and a ribbon of some sort. I sort of used this paper type ribbon that I had floating around, nice and glittery. A scoring board, if you've got one. If not, you can always use like something that's nice and soft, and a tool, any sort of tool. Even you could even use the back of a butter knife so that you don't actually cut into the card, to use for your scoring. And the other thing that you're going to need is a ruler, because that way you can, you know, even if you've got a score, you can make sure you put your ruler on it, and then you can just quite easily score a straight line. Okay, but I'm going to use my scoring board just to make my life a little bit easier at the moment. It's unbelievable, like it's just been so hectic because we're actually in winter here at the moment, so whenever it's not raining, it's like hee-ha out in the garden. So yes, my hands look dirty, but they're not. I've scrubbed them and scrubbed them. It's just all the soil and stuff is, I can't get it off my nails at the moment, so that usually takes a few days. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, and I'm actually going to turn it around this way, probably. Now let's see. What you want to do, no, that's not going to work. I was actually just going to cut that bit out, but because of the flower sticking up like that, it's kind of getting in the way. So what we're going to do is put the ruler on the inside, and because we've got the grooving there, we're actually going to go along that. Okay, so I'm just going to try and line this up the best I can, and I'm going to grab my X-Acto knife because I find this so much easier, whoops, except when it starts coming loose, so we better tighten that up. And then we just cut along there like so. And what I'm going to do now is cut away the last little bit there, so that we've got a straight card. Line it up and cut away. There we go. So we've got that. Now, obviously the issue that we now have is how are we going to put this together? Well, it's actually kind of quite easy. And this is where the scoring board comes into it. So let me just get things out of the way. And the only one card that we're going to need is the top card. Okay? So I'm going to put it here. Scoring board. And I'm going to try and... Hang on, I'll have to move you guys a bit. I actually did zoom in so you can see a little bit better. So what I've done is I've just moved the card over to this, on its side, over, and then with my little tool, I'm just going to make a line going across, like so. I'll probably go over it one more time. There we go. So now this part here will fold. And what I'm actually going to do, and I probably should have done it on the other side, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is just fold this like so. And I'm just going to force it a little bit, like that, and then we'll bring it back so it's nice and straight again. And then we're going to grab our other piece. Now what I'm going to do before that, I'm just going to take some nice thin double-sided tape and I'm going to quickly measure it by eye. Cut a piece off. I actually find it easier to cut it than trying to rip it off. I know there's many people out there that just go, nyeh. For some reason it's not working for me, so it's probably just me, but never mind. And then you're just going to stick your double-sided tape on here, like so. Okay. You don't want to come off there, but you will come off there, right? No. Doesn't want to stick. Okay. Try again. It can be so stubborn at times. There we go. Off it comes. And then we're just going to line this card up. And I've still got the glitter coming off it. Never mind. If you haven't seen last week's video, I'll leave a link below, above so you can watch it on how I did this if you're interested in knowing how to do it, if it's your first time here. But there we go. I've sort of kind of more or less lined it up. Beautiful. And then all we're going to do is grab the double-sided tape again. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do next week yet, because, yeah, my mind's been preoccupied for a while now, so I haven't really thought about what I was going to do. So I just figured, well, you know what I'm going to do is whenever I'm sitting in here doing a bit of creativity. No, I didn't quite make it. Okay, got a little piece more. I'll just record it, and that way, you know, I can sort of decide whether I'll use it as a video or not. Now, the other thing is you want to put some on the back of it, because what you want to do with this one, you just want to fold it in half so that you can put it over the top. Hence why I'm putting double-sided tape on both sides. Now, I'm just going to try and be a little bit smarter this time and get it close to, so I don't have to cut another piece. Come on. So yeah, I mean, I'm still hoping that you know, it's going to start warming up. Although, hang on, it's winter time here in Australia, so what are my chances? Buckley's and none. Oops. Because I actually do still have a project that I haven't finished, which is my rosin table that I was creating. And the reason why I haven't continued with that one is because of it being so cold here, I would have to have the heater going for 3 days. Now, our electricity bill currently that I've got to pay is already almost $400, so I cannot see myself having the heater running for 3 days straight. I don't want to see the bill. Unfortunately, they make things so expensive. So I just got to wait until probably summertime before I can finish it. So all you do is stick down one side first. Oh yeah, I've still got to cut a little bit more off on one side. That's fine. We can adjust that. There we go. Fold it over. And then we'll just, actually, yeah. And then we'll just cut that off. And the card is now fixed. The card now opens that way. And then you can put whatever you want on there. But it just gets to show that if you do a boo-boo, it's okay. There's always a way around it. If you can't think of a way of fixing it straight away, put it to the side and just let it sit in the back of your mind. Because guaranteed something will pop in your mind going, oh, I know how to fix it. And then you can go back and just fix it. But as you can see, it was a quick, easy fix. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if it's your first time here and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And I will see you guys next week with another awesome video. I know I'm in the middle of trying to work out several different things that I want to make over the next month, so so that I can actually let you guys know what I'm going to be doing. And I'll probably end up doing some reviews as well, because I've actually got some touch markers coming. Hopefully they'll be here in the next few days. And I'll probably play around with them for a little bit. And if I think they're pretty awesome, well, I will let you know about it. If I think they're not so awesome, I'll probably still let you know about it. Because at the end of the day, I like to be honest. And there's nothing worse knowing that something's not working and it's a waste of money and I don't tell you about it. That's not fair. the way I look at it, I'll let you know about it, because that way you know whether to avoid them or get them. And if they work really well, it's actually a much cheaper alternative to like Copic markets and things like that. So yeah, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, definitely make sure you are subscribed, because there will be some awesome videos coming. One of them is going to be making some gifts for people, and I've got plenty of ideas. So, and considering Christmas is getting closer and closer, and let's face it, people have birthdays, it's always nice to be able to give somebody a present that you've made, because it makes it so much more special, just like making a card for them. So anyhow, catch you guys next week, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend and a fabulous week. Make sure you get plenty of time to do some crafting. Bye for now.